We've just finished 2 days of a workshop. It's the ECHO workshop, European Concept for Higher Airspace Operations. It's the final workshop of the project. Final deliverable is the concept of operation for higher airspace operations.
Important for us, especially from the network manager perspective, we needed to vet our ideas for the future developments of our role. Given that we are now at the front line, we're seeing developments in the network and we have to deal with them daily. Our core interest lies into making sure that our future role revolves around answering states' demands, responding to industry needs, and making sure that the safety and efficiency of the network is preserved.
The workshop has a really good representation across the entire aerospace sector, from companies, governments, military, civilian, technical experts, engineers, policymakers.
The collaboration inter-European between SESAR and EASA and Eurocontrol has been very effective.
We really appreciate the approach also to sandbox applications, to test prototypes and demonstrator in flights, so that the industry can test technologies and regulators can set up the framework for operations of such vehicles in the future.
I think the CONOPS is a very important step, especially to build the foundation for a future ATM-STM operational interface.
I think one of the future steps we need to go through in the future is the validation of the concept of operation.
Building from the ECHO CONOPS, we're very hopeful that we can charter a very good path for future European developments to maintain its leadership and become a global actor for higher airspace operations.
Again, very happy with the output of this workshop and the conclusion of the ECHO project.